Hi, quick and easy teardown. Today we will have a look at this unit from the aircraft parts grab bag. So it is called Signal Assembly Altitude Warning Type H2. Serial number AF33 and 2619. There is another one for sale on eBay with serial number 402 or something like this at the price of $90. So it looks very old, and actually you have the 43 number here and here, so I believe it might be for 1943, so it might be a World War II part. We will try to figure out inside if it is really old or not. Made by the Baker & Co. ENC in Newark, New Jersey. So Baker should be for Martin Baker, the famous brand of ejection seats. Maybe at this time they were not together yet and they were making aircraft accessories. Or it is a part for an ejection seat. Not really sure. So you have one big plug on the top with only two contacts made by Amphenol. You have an adjustment here with this cover you can rotate to access, but I will do it from the inside. On the bottom you have two attachment screws. It is written mount vertically, electrical receptacle at top, in case you cannot figure out where is the electrical receptacle. Nothing else apart some damage in the paint. It is rated for 20 amps, so it seems to be an altitude switch or something, but for quite a high current. So it looks like opening it is just a matter of two screws. It should be pretty quick. There is no safety wire on these screws, by the way. Maybe it is too old for safety wire. Interesting. So it comes right off. A little bit of rust and dust inside. And here is what we have. First, two very old looking resistors. Look at this. They look really ancient. We have the adjustment here with a little scale here. You can adjust, by the way, with this elongated holes. And here you have, where is it, the little adjustment that will turn the screw and move the indicator here. It will modify the level of this piece here, it seems. Let me do it another time. No, it's not this one. It will act here on this assembly. Okay. And here at the bottom we have one aneroid capsule. So probably we have an air pressure input. Maybe it is here. The capsule is attached obviously by this bolt here. We have 3 screws for the structural parts here. And what do we have else? We have what seems to be a coil here and a set of contacts. So yes, it is some kind of altitude actuated relay. You can see, by the way, this contact here is not in use, it is not connected to anything. We have one big bus bar here coming to one contact. On the other side seems to be actually in a series with, yes, in series with a coil and with resistors. quite interesting because we have only 2 contacts. And I do not see a ground connection. Maybe the case is ground, but I do not see anything connected to the ground in here. So quite interesting. Really old, nice device. So if it is World War II, it is good because I have no many World War II parts. So I am quite happy with this one, even if it is quite obscure what it does and what it is for exactly. So thanks for watching, bye bye.